Okay, we need to talk about something because you're missing out on it, and I don't really feel good about that, and I don't think that you really feel good about that either, so let's jump into this video. There's someone that I think you guys need to know about because he is really incredible and a really good friend of mine. My friend named Aaron, he sent me some products to review, you guys, and I'm like super blown away by the stuff that he makes. But on top of that, the person that he is and all of the things that he does in his business is just like mind-blowing, and he is such a magnetic, amazing human being. And so I want to tell you a little bit about him and what he does. Aaron is a certified life coach, mindfulness and meditation practitioner, and mindset guru based out of Atlanta, Georgia. He specializes in goal achievement, mindset shifting, habit development, and energy work. He holds free personal development workshops on Instagram at HIYERAlignment at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. He loves lucid dreaming, cooking, and playing with his dog Monster, and his dog is the cutest dog in the entire world, might I just add. But how do I know Aaron? Well, him and I are actually working together. He's one of my clients, and he is one of my really good friends. He is such an incredible human being, and not only does he offer all of these incredible services, but he also makes physical products as well. And last time I was on a call with him, he was showing me some of the stuff he makes, and it's so crazy how much time and energy and love he puts into his work, whether it's his coaching, whether it's his workshops on Instagram every week, or whether it's his physical products that he makes. And I really wanted to try out his products, and I'm super excited to tell you guys about them because, like, he's gonna change your life, okay? Let's just get into that. What I love about Aaron is he is a super, like, incredible, multifaceted being. Like, he's very multi-passionate like me. He loves to do tons of different things, and he's really good at a lot of different things. So I would definitely recommend checking him out on YouTube and Instagram. He does a lot of his work on Instagram, so definitely go follow him there, and I will leave his handles in the description and in the comments of this video. But I really wanted to show you some of the stuff that he makes as well, on top of everything else that he does, and we'll get into the rest of that a little bit later. But he sent me a beautiful gift package, and I tried to wait to open it before I made this video because I really wanted to tell you guys about it, but it was just too good. Like, it was just too good. Okay, so I did use a lot of the things he gave me, but I still have them right here, and you just have to know about it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right now. First of all, you guys have been asking me for tea sources of like where you can get really good tea, and especially dream tea. Well, guess what? Look no further, because Aaron makes his own tea. He dries out all of the fruits and like herbs himself. Like, he is like, they're class A products, okay? And he sent me 2 different teas, and one of them that I've used so much of is called Berry Bliss. It's a super delicious berry tea, and I will show you guys what it looks like inside. It smells so good. I've been trying to make it last because I've been using it every single day. I'm not even kidding. Oh my god, it is so good. And he dries out all of these fruits himself. Like, there is so much love put into all of his stuff that he does, but these teas are like, oh my god. I'm really not even exaggerating. I'm not. That smells so good. I had 2 cups already today, and as you can see, I'm really trying to make it last because it's so delicious. And look at these cute jars that he sends them in. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, that was the berry tea, right? That's called Berry Bliss. It is so good. I highly recommend trying that tea out. But this one, you guys have been asking a lot about dream teas, and this one is this has really enhanced my dream recall, okay? This has really enhanced my dream recall. I will leave the ingredients down below for these teas as well, so you know what's in them, because I don't have them handy right now, but I will leave them for you. But this has seriously enhanced my dream recall, and I've gotten lucid 3 times when I have drank this tea before bed. And I've only had this tea a few times, I think like 4 or 5 times, but 3 out of the 5 times I had a conscious dreaming experience, and every single time I've tried it, it has drastically increased my dream recall. And look at it, okay? Like, actually look at it. Isn't that the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Look at that. When I opened this package, I was so excited. I literally got hit with like the most amazing smells ever. Like, I'm not even kidding. And it was wrapped so beautifully, and he uses the cutest jars and everything. Like, everything was just like made with so much love. And look at it. It's like an art piece. Like, I'm not kidding. I love these teas so much, and they are so pretty. And I took some close-up pictures so I could show you guys, because oh my gosh, I definitely recommend drinking this tea like 20 to 30 minutes before bedtime, and you will see a difference in your dreams, especially like heightened dream recall and like clarity in your dreams as well. And then this one I have like any time of any day. Like, it is so good. So okay, it's so good. Okay, I'm sure you know by now. He also sent me 2 bath salts, and oh, I was shocked when I opened these because of how good they smell. As you can see, I really have been using them a lot, but it's for very good reason. Like, they smell so good. So he sent me 2 of them. The first one is called Renew, and it's more of like a floral blend, and it is so delicious. It smells like this other thing that I'm going to show you guys really quick, and we're gonna get into that, but oh my god, it smells so good, and it's so refreshing and relaxing. I can't even tell you. I'm not gonna lie, I've been kind of using both of them in my bath because I can't choose between them. Like, they smell so good, so I have been adding a little bit of both to my bath. And again, I'll leave the ingredients down below so you guys have them, or maybe in this video somewhere as well. I'm sure that you see it by now if if I've added them in, so that way you guys know what's in the actual products. And then aside from Renew, he also has one called Restore, and it's like black pepper, mint, and ylang ylang. Oh my gosh, guys, I am not kidding. I was actually I smell these like every day. Like, everything he sent me, it just smells so good, and I'm really not exaggerating. This is like really high quality stuff, like really high quality stuff, and it smells so good. So I've never chosen between these when it comes to my bath. I'm not gonna lie, I use both of them because they smell so good. And the fact that everything is like handcrafted by him, you can tell like he really took his time creating these products. And you have some super awesome jars after, which like I'm super hyped about. Now it's time to show you guys the best, not the best thing, but the thing that I use the most often because it's just like unbelievable. And it's his attraction oil that he makes called Come Hither. And this is a blend of oils, resins, and herbs, as well as 24 karat gold. He says no desire can resist the allure of this attraction oil. It has frankincense, myrrh, dragon's blood, copal, and more attraction herbs. I am not kidding. I use this several times a day because it smells absolutely incredible. And before I put it on, I do create like an intention as well. And it is the best smelling thing like I have ever smelled in my life. I am really not kidding when I say this. I literally just put it on maybe like 15 minutes ago before making this video because it smells so good. You don't even know. Like, all of this stuff smells so good. It's gonna shock you. But something hits different about this oil. Like, I'm not even kidding. Oh my god. I had to ask him. I had to be like, what did you put in these? What did you do? What did you put in these? Because they smell so good. I'm not even kidding. I don't even know how to tell you guys how good they smells, but like I've also noticed, since this is an attraction oil, it's also combined with an intention as well, but like things have been happening quicker and easier, and it also sets me off to a really good start during the day because like I just feel calmer, I smell nice, and of course I start my day with an intention. So this is actually part of my morning practice and my nighttime practice because I can't just use it once in one day. Like I just can't do that. It's just too good. I'm not kidding. It is so good. But all of these are really a part of my ritual because I use this, the attraction oil, in the morning and at night. I use this berry tea like throughout the day, basically. I use this dream tea at night, and I highly recommend this dream tea. And then I have a goddess bath on Saturdays, every single Saturday. That's part of my self-care routine. I'll take a bath and I'll listen to like Alan Watts or something. And I've been using these ever since I got them. I've been using these salts every single time I take a bath, and a little goes a long way because they're so fragrant. They smell so good, and there's tons of herbs in them, and it's just like, I don't want to go without these. I just don't. And I even told him, you're gonna have to send me the links to where I can get more of these because like I'm not going without them. And I wanted to tell you guys about these because like they are such high quality products, and I would not tell you anything that isn't true. Like these are incredible, and I'm going to stay stocked up on these. But also the work that Aaron does on top of this, it's been blowing me away. I find something new about Aaron all the time. Like I said, he's a certified life coach, a mindfulness and meditation practitioner. He's incredible with mindset work, and a lot of his work is specialized in like goal achievement and mindset shifting, habit development, and energy work. It's like he does everything, and I highly recommend checking out his workshops. Again, he does them every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on Instagram. You can just go to HIYERAlignment, but you'll see what I mean. Like he has such a good energy, and his work is so incredible. If you've been wanting to break through some mindset blocks, or maybe you're starting your business and you want some strategy behind it, he's incredible for showing you how to create an incredible morning routine that helps you get an amazing start on the day. I mean, I'm telling you, he's such an intelligent, intuitive person. And plus, we're lucid dreaming friends. We talk about lucid dreaming on basically all of our calls because we work together, right? And he is just doing the most amazing things. And I asked him if I could talk about him on my YouTube channel. I asked him if I could show you guys some of the products that he offers and talk about some of the work he does, because I learn something new from Aaron all the time, and I tune into his lives. It's just like, he's just such an amazing person, and I know you guys will love him. And again, I just really wanted to show you guys some of the products that he offers because they're handcrafted. He really takes his time on creating everything he creates, whether it's his workshops, whether it's his courses, whether it's his physical products. And he has a lot more than just these, by the way, for physical products. Like, you have to see the other things he creates. He creates these beautiful like sage bundles with like flowers, and like they're art pieces. Like everything he creates is a piece of art. Like, I'm not kidding. Like, so there's so much more that he does and so much more that he offers that I wasn't really able to talk about in this video, but I highly recommend you go check him out. He also has a YouTube channel as well. Again, you can find him at HIYERAlignment, and I'll link everything down below, but you guys have to check out what he does and some of what he offers. And I'm not kidding, I am obsessed with these things. I got them not too long ago, and I am like running out, and I was like, okay, Aaron, where's the link? I need to be able to stay stocked up on these because, oh my gosh, these have so helped my morning practice, my afternoon ritual when it comes to, well, I drink tea throughout the entire day, but also on my self-care days. It's like he has something for every area of your life, and he will create the most impactful aha moments, these shifts for you in the work that he does and what he talks about in his workshops on Instagram. So seriously, I definitely recommend going to check him out. And what's really, really cool is there is a 50% off coupon for you guys. He created a coupon for my audience, for you guys, so you can get 50% off of any course that he offers, and this goes until August 31st, 2021. Use the coupon LM50 to get 50% off all the courses that he offers, the workshops, anything on that link down below. You can get 50% off on using the code LM50. So I definitely recommend going to check him out. Don't forget to go check him out on Instagram and YouTube as well. I seriously can't wait for you guys to meet him, and we're going to have him on the channel soon as well. I really want him to chat with you guys about the work that he does, and of course he's like incredible at lucid dreaming as well, so I would love for him to come on and just chat with you guys so you can learn a little bit more about him and some of his routines and his practices, because again, he's an amazing individual and I seriously can't wait for you guys to get to know him more. So thank you, Aaron, for sending me some of your incredible products. They are incredible, and I would definitely be ordering more because need I say more? Like, I love them so much, and I love you so much. Thank you so much for the work that you do. You're an incredible being, and I am so blessed to be able to chat about what you do and what you offer on my channel, and I'm super excited for people to go check out what you do because, like, you guys need some higher alignment in your life. I'm not even kidding. Go check out the links below, guys, and I love you so much. Thank you so much for joining in on this video, and as always, I'm sending you endless love and endless lucidity.